Good morning, students. Yes, what you learned in the last class? Yes, you learned what a interrogative sentence. Before going to next sentence, tell me what is interrogative sentence. Interrogative means what? You learned this one already. So now you tell me what is interrogative sentence. Interrogative means what? Interrogative means ask a question. Asking question. Interrogative means what? Asking question, that is called interrogative sentence. Thus, in the interrogative sentence, two types are there. Interrogative ನೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿವೆ. ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು ಯಾವುವು? Come on, tell me. Which are the two types in interrogative sentence? Come on, tell me. One is WH, another one is yes or no. First one is what? Yes or no, or second one is WH. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು. Interrogative two types are there. First one is WH, second one is yes or no. Is it right? Is it right? Here WH means what? The words start with WH. The words start with WH. For example, when, who. Does it understand? Already ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೆ? So yes or no ಅಂದ್ರೆ just you say yes or no. You say yes or no. Are you okay? Yes or no. If you okay, you have to tell yes. Otherwise no. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇದು WH, ಇದು yes or no ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ಏನದವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Two types are there. Okay. So next one is what? Imperative. Which is next one? Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you mean by imperative sentence? Okay. Look at the board. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Anyone? Come on, tell me what is the meaning of imperative sentence? Imperative in Kannada what? Ajnadaraka. In Kannada, Ajnadaraka ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. What do you call that in Kannada? Ajnadaraka. It means it shows order, command, request. Okay, imperative means what? Look at the board. I am going to write the definition of imperative sentence. An imperative, look at the board. An imperative sentence gives a command, advice or request. See here, imperative sentence means what? It gives a command, advice, request, order. See here, command and order both are same, no difference. Order ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, command ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Advice, it means suggestion. Advice means what? Suggestion. Then request means what? ವಿನಂತಿ, ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Request means what? ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ವಿನಂತಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ಆಜ್ಞೆಗಳನ್ನು, ವಿನಂತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಆ ವಾಕ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಜ್ಞಾಧಾರಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In English, which sentence shows command, order, request, that is called imperative sentence. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Is it understand? What is imperative sentence? Okay, come on. Request, suggestion or advice. Okay, look at the board. Just we are going to continue through the example. Look at the example. Here, you try to identify request, order, suggestion or advice. Come on. Okay. Just try to tell the sentence express what. That sentence express what? Request, order or command same, suggestion. Okay. Then advice. Advice or suggestion same. Here order and command both are same. Then request this one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So let us see the example. Shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. What it express? Tell me. This sentence what express? Just write. Look at the board. Later on I will discuss with that. Help the poor. Help the poor. Then third one. Get out. Get out at once. Then fourth. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Okay. Then please let me work. Please let me work. Okay, students. Look at the board. Here. Shut the door. ಬಾಗಲನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ. Shut the door. It express what? Order or request? What advice? What that sentence express? Come on, tell me. ಏನನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ? Order, request, what suggestion? Shut the door. Sometimes what's happened? Our voice also depend on the sentence. Shut the door. If you say softly, shut the door, that is the advice. Shut the door. If you say this like, what it is? If you say this sentence slowly, that is what? Advice. If you say in angry mood, shut the door, it is what? Order or command. Is it understand? Okay. Here, advice or order. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Shut the door. Okay. Then help the poor. ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನು? It is what? It express order. ಏನೇನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅದು? What it express? Order, request, advice. What it is? ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ಅದೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ? ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? Advice. Advice or suggestion. It express what? Advice. Okay. Let's see next. Get out at once. Idiot. Get out at once. Or get out from the class. What it is? If you make a sound in the classroom, the teacher tell you what? Get out from the class. It is what? It express request. Is it request? What it is? ಏನದು? Yes, come on, tell me what that express. Yes, the express what? Order. Then never tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. Never tell a lie. So it is what? ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೀವು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಸ್. ಸುಳ್ಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬಾರದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ advice or suggestion. Both are same, huh? Don't get me confused. Advice and suggestion both are same meaning. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Please let me work. Please let me work. What it is? Yes, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡು. Please let me work. What it is? It express what? A request. It express what? A request. Is it understand? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Shut the door ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದಿ ಪುವರ್ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ let's like third example, get out at once. That is order simply. Then fourth one, never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. That is a advice or suggestion. Then please let me work. Please let me work. That is a request. Okay. Let us see some more example. Do it now. Do it now. You have to do. You have to do now. What it is? It is request. Is that request? ಈ ಸದ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸದ್ದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. What it is? As next I will tell you. Just look at the board. Please give your pen. Then stand up on the bench. Get me a glass of water. Get me a glass of water. Then beware of dog. Beware of dog. Then come here. Come here now. Then let's see. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Just look at this. Look at this sentence. It expresses what? Do it now. You have to do now. It is what? ಈ ಸದ್ದ ಮುಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಏನೇನು ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it express what? Order. That express what? Order. Please give your pen. Please give your pen. That sentence express what? Yes, come on, tell me anyone. Please give your pen. That sentence expresses what? Yes, request. That's like another example. Look at the another example. Stand up on the bench. When you make a sound, when you make a mistake or anything in the classroom, the teacher tell you stand up on the bench, idiot. Are you getting? Artha aitala? Stand up on the bench. What it is? It is a order. Then get me a glass of water. In your room, anyone ask you, get me a glass of water. Yes, maybe grandfather, grandmother, father, or mother, anyone also ask you, water, get me a glass of water. It is water. It is express water request. That sentence express water request. Is it understand? Then bear of dog. ಯಾವ್ದರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವರು ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಗ್ ನಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ. ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ತಾನೆ ನಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ. ಅದು ಏನದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಎಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್. ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಏನದು ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಗ್ ನಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ. ಕಾಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ. ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ. Immediately you come to here. It is what? Order. Yes, then do me a favor. Favor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಪಕಾರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೇನು ಒಂದು ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡು, ಒಂದು ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಫೇವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಪಕಾರ ಅಂತ. ಉಪಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಉಪಕಾರ, ಉಪಕಾರ. Does it understand? ಉಪಕಾರ. See here, do me a favor. Do me a favor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? What it express? Tell me. This sentence express what? This sentence express what? Tell me. Yes, it is a request. It is a request. Does it understand? Okay. Let's see, continue. Let us see some example. Tell me truth. Tell me truth. Get down. Get down from the bus. Then please help me. Please help me. Then stand there. Don't move. Don't move. Okay. Avoid going. Avoid going deep into the water. Deep into the water. See here. Look at the another example. Try to tell me. Express what? This sentence express what? Can you tell me? Yes. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. What it express? Come on, tell me. Anyone here? Tell me the truth. Satya ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Never tell a lie. That is advice. Here, what type of sound you heard? Tell me the truth. Yes. Tell me the truth. What it express? It express. It express order. Okay, then get down. Get down from the bus. Bus ನಿಂದ ತಳಗಿಳಿ. ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ನೀವೇನರ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾರ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾರ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ get down from the bus. What it is? Request? Tell me what? Yes. Get down from the bus. Bus ನಿಂದ ತಳಗಿಳಿ. Command or order. Command or order. Then please help me. Please help me. It is what a request. Okay, then don't move. Don't move. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ. Don't move. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ. It is what a order, sometimes advice. Depend on the situation. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಸಾರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ನದಿ ಆಳವಾಗಿದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರ ನದಿ ಸ್ನಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೊಸಳೆ ಇದೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ, ಮೊಸಳೆಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ, ನೀರು ಆಳವಾಗಿದೆ ಈಜಬೇಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಅದ? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ರೇನ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್? ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವು? ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್. It is what advice. I hope you understood what is imperative sentence. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇಂಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇಂಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? What it tell you? Imperative sentence expresses a command, order, request, excuse, suggestion. That's like. Is it understand? Artha aitala? Okay. Let's write down the homework. So homework. Write 10 imperative sentence example. Imperative sentence example. And you have to write how many examples? 10 imperative examples you have to write. It is your homework. Does it understand? It is your homework. Okay, in the next class we will start another sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. Okay. Okay students, see you in the next class. Until, take care of yours.